Alright guys, I replaced the accelerator pedal in the module and the idle problem came back again. So replace the throttle body, replace the accelerator pedal. We're still having the same issues, but those are the codes that keep coming up. I've replaced 3 different throttle bodies, 2 OEM, one of the cheaper ones, and after it acted up with the cheaper one, I replaced it with 2 different OEM ones and it's still acting up. There is a OEM throttle body, accelerator pedal down there, still acting up. I don't know what to do at this point. I got this code, idle air control system, revolutions per minute, higher than expected. I keep trying to look into this code and see what could cause it, but there's not much info on this one. I've had this code for a while and this code for a while. If these codes could be related or you know how to fix that, let me know. I've changed the evap purge valve though, and it still got this code. Got this code again, the throttle actuator control circuit. So it has something to do with the throttle. There's a brand new throttle on there. What's it called? Again with the throttle. And then the oxygen sensor. If you guys could figure it out, or if you have any tips to let me know on that, let me know, because I'm kind of stuck again. I thought that me changing the accelerator pedal in the module would fix it, but nope, acted up again this morning. Keep in mind it is 19 degrees outside. I don't know if it has something to do with it being cold. If you guys know any other sensors on this car that could fix this issue, let me know in the comments. Every little Google search or anything like that just keeps saying idle air control valve. This car doesn't have an IAC, so that kind of makes it even harder to deal with, or else the problem would probably be fixed. But yeah, so accelerator pedal doesn't fix it, throttle body doesn't fix it. I'm about to have it took to the shop and see if there's any possible like vacuum leaks or anything like that. I put a new PCV valve because I had people tell me that it could be the PCV valve failing. I swapped that out. I put a new evap purge valve, swapped that out. It's got new camshaft and crankshaft sensors. This car was recently timed, you know, because it was not running the best because it needed a timing job, and then it needed a timing belt and all that, and the water pump, and I got all that replaced. I've put a lot of money into this car, like around $300 or $3,500 within the last couple months, trying to get this car to run right, and it's still acting up. I'm almost at the point where I kind of just want to sell it and go get something better, and because this car is just a headache at this point, because you could probably put all new parts on this car and it'll probably still act up, which is crazy. But if you guys know any solutions to this, feel free to leave it in the comments, because I can't seem to figure it out. Thank you guys for watching though. Bye-bye.